Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's a very gloomy day outside. I'm actually trying to get myself motivated to clean, so I've just kind of been watching cleaning videos. But yeah, it's really late. Normally I get started at like 7 a.m. I think it's 10 a.m. on a Monday. So today I have some speed cleaning that I need to do, and there has been some sickness going around in my house, so I want to make sure that everything is disinfected. I have been spraying like a crazy person. So we're going to start off on the second floor in my bathroom. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Kim with a Y, K-Y-M, and I do videos pertaining to home life. So more so of like cleaning, cooking, organizing, some kind of organizing chaos, so to speak. I also do tutorials, painting, and DIY projects. So if that is something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe and the like button, because it really helps my channel and it helps YouTube know that people want to watch my video. So that is the best way that you could support any YouTuber. Okay, so the state of my bathroom isn't bad at all. Let me spin you around without you getting dizzy. Everything just needs to be wiped down. And I also noticed that my heated floors are not working. There's some weird, I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna have to get online and check that out. The goal in the bathroom today is to just clean with one cleaner. Let me know below in the comments if you know what that cleaner is. I'll give you 2 seconds. Okay. For those of you who don't know, I love to clean with vinegar. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant, and it also does not leave streaks when you clean. Being a professional cleaner, if you leave streaks at someone's house, they're gonna call you like, girl, give me my money back. Like, this ain't clean. This is not sponsored, but if y'all know somebody, tell them to hook your girl up, okay? You will have to let me know in the comments below if you have cleaned your mirrors off with vinegar before. I mentioned that there was some sickness going around the house, so one thing to remember is your soap dispensers need to be shown some love as well. They should be disinfected, because think about it, you're pushing your hand down there to get the soap, so I'm sure there's germs and all kinds of stuff on it, so I disinfected that as well.
I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need.
These stools in here are the last man standing with that color. I am eventually going to paint them. I just don't know when I'm going to have the opportunity to, but I think about it every single time I set a towel down on a stool. I always think in my mind, if I'm taking the time out to clean something, I'm gonna just do it right the first time. So be sure to move everything out of the way when you're wiping down. That is definitely the right thing to do. I mean, obviously, if you're doing it every day, you don't have to like wipe underneath every day. However, there are a lot of people who don't wipe underneath ever, and then they wonder why there's like dirt buildup around the items that were sitting on the counters. That would be why. Okay, so I use rosehip oil for my oil that I put on my face, and it exploded the other day. So I need to get that wiped off the wall. I'm sure you guys can see that orange stuff on the wall. Since I'm wiping off a painted wall, I'm only wiping it off with water. A lot of times your cleaning products will strip the paint, and I don't really want that to happen. I feel like I'm gonna randomly find different spots. Anyway, yeah. Let's move on. I'm sure some of you peeped this bra out that was on my countertop. It is a bra that I got in the mail, and I'm going to do a review on it. However, I want to wash it first. Here is the problem. Well, not necessarily a problem, because I do like to wash my stuff before I wear it, because you just don't know what people do in warehouses. The problem is this was put in somebody else's mailbox, and even though they saw my name on it, they opened it and everything. So that kind of creeps me out, because this is a bra. So I need to make sure that I wash this before I put it on. I'm sure you guys have washed things in the sink before, so you know you don't really need a lot of detergent. And I'm also going to put some vinegar in here and just allow this to soak.
I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know we got it. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is the debris that I picked up, but you know you're lazy when the dustpan is downstairs and you're just gonna use a paper towel to wipe it up. Yep, that's how I'm gonna do it.
I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I know we got it. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do you ever get tired like after you clean a room? But the thing that makes it worse is, okay, so it's gloomy outside and it's cold, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna put on a sweatshirt, but your girl is hot, okay? So now I have to switch shirts, but at any rate, the bathroom is clean. I just got on my hands and knees with the floor. It probably needed that anyway because it had been a while. Not gonna tell you how long because you're gonna judge me. Yeah, it's been a really long time. Anyway, the dustpan and the mop were downstairs. That's why I just did it on my hands and knees. It had been a while and I knew it needed done and I didn't feel like running down there because I'm trying to get everything on the second floor finished prior to going down there. So now I have to change my shirt because I'm hot. I'm in a different shirt, just like that. It was like magic. Anyway, let me show you what this bra is looking like. Okay, so there is some dirt and some particles in the water, so I'm gonna give this a good rinse. I'm sure you can see the particles in the water. And the water is cloudy, so just make sure that you wash your clothes prior to putting them on, or at least let them soak in some water. There's all kinds of stuff on them. Plus, you just don't know who's been touching this stuff either.
About things like I do, like how we used to fight till we cry.
So the countertops and the mirrors are clean. I did clean the toilet and everything in there. However, I didn't record it because I don't want anyone to get upset. Heaven forbid. And then everything over here is clean as well, except the closet. Y'all want to see it? Ooh wee. Not today, Satan. The bed needs made and the 2 nightstands need wiped off. You'll have to let me know how you're doing in the comments below. I had a conversation with 2 people today, and when I tell you it was one of the best conversations I had, do you ever like run into somebody and you're like, oh my gosh, they get me? That's exactly how I felt, and that was amazing. And I've definitely been on cloud 9 all day. For me, it's the little things. I don't really care about big things. I care about little details and little things, and those little things make me happy. And it also makes me happy when I see other people happy. I just be like feeling all giddy inside. Let me know if you are like that as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the sock saga continues. I mean, where are the matching socks? I need to know. Anyway, I have some dirty clothes and I'm going to wash those. Oh my gosh, this is 2 videos in a row where your girl has washed clothes. Someone needs to give me an award. I do not like washing clothes. Anyway, let me show you what I'm working with. That is what we are working with. That has to go into the washer. We are in the laundry room. Since I'm in here, I might as well wipe down. But honestly, I do try to come in here at least once every 2 weeks. I probably should come in more often to wipe down, but this is just not my area of expertise. This is not my domain, and I'm okay with that. Shout out to all of you Keep Up crew members who like to do laundry. I absolutely do not. And you all know that, and I say it all the time. It looks as good as it's gonna get for now. The important thing is the entire washer and dryer are cleaned off except for the back. Moving on to my daughter's bathroom. I am looking at their bathtub. You guys, it's not picking up on camera at all. It's very yellow. Anytime you have yellow marks in your tub, you know it's time to clean. The walls were yellow as well. There was just a bunch of soap scum buildup. It was really, really gross, and it took me so long to get the shower clean. If this is your first time on my channel, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I love to say affirmations and I love to read positive quotes and share that out into the universe with everyone else. So I have 2 quotes that I really love. The first one says, "Happiness often sneaks in through a door you didn't know you left open." Think about the amount of times that that's happened to you, where someone may have said something to you and you were like, wow, I really needed to hear that today. That is what I got from that quote, and I really like that quote a lot. This quote is for all of my dreamers and creators out there. The only place where your dream becomes impossible is in your own thinking. Girl, whatever you dream up, you got it, okay? So if you're thinking about something, just say in your mind, I got this. It's going to happen. God will make a way, because He will. I know a lot of times we all have that fear of what if. But if you go into it with a mindset of whatever plan that I conjured up in my head, I'm going to execute. And even if there are bumps in the road, I know that it's going to be successful because I put my everything into it. Those are the types of things that we need to be thinking of and not the negative. So that's where your affirmations come into play. Just be sure you're looking in the mirror and you're saying those affirmations. I am enough, I am worthy, and I am needed. It's much better. Much better. I'm in my daughter's room. I need to clean everything off. Like I said, there's been some sickness going around in the house and I need to make sure everything is disinfected. I think I'm gonna leave this little area alone because she's working on some kind of cardboard project for her school. So I'm gonna let her handle that. Thank you so much for being here and watching my video. I truly appreciate you, and I hope that you know you are loved.
And I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close. And I need you.
Here are the paper towels from the mirror in the dresser. Here's my thing. It was like completely corroded with hair products, but that's because she just allowed them to sit on the mirror. So I had to like put a bunch of muscle into getting it out. That's why it's very important for you to like clean things as they spill. That way you're not breaking out in a sweat like I did. All I have to say is looks are definitely deceiving, because I've had a few people comment like, oh, your house is already clean and you're cleaning it. No, it ain't. It's dirty. Okay. Just like yours, just a different type of dirty. Everyone's dirty is different. I recently painted my garage door, the fireplace in here, as well as my staircase, and I painted it with white furniture paint. What I've noticed is there's a little bit of a yellow hue. However, I have a solution. So I'm actually going to put a coat of wax on the fireplace, the door, and my stairs because it needs it really bad. So that should be in the next video or the video after that. added another sock to my missing sock pile.
Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day.
Tired from watching me because I'm exhausted. Okay, let me explain this to you. So I have long COVID, and a lot of times you have to sit down after cleaning one room. This is the first time that I've been able to clean majority of the upstairs without sitting down. I mean, I sat down when I was wiping stuff. Does that count? But I'm excited, like for real. Okay, so anyway, pardon the sweat. Let me turn the fan on. Hold on one second. I'm back. That was quick. Okay, I really do need to wipe down my stairs, but when you see my stairs, it's in the same condition you saw it last month. Products are still sitting on the stairs too because it's a reminder of Kim do the stairs, but Kim hasn't done the stairs. Unload the dishwasher. That's it, okay? Your girl is tired. I think I cringe every time I go up and down my stairs. I don't like the color of the steps, and then the banister, I broke it, I don't know, 2 years ago and never fixed it. But we really, for real, just need a new banister anyway. That's why I haven't fixed it, because eventually I will get one. Anyway, I got to get these steps together, you guys. They're just awful. I had a whole bunch of suggestions in the comment as far as the color, and I think I may go ahead and go with the charcoal gray. Let me know what you think. In order to get the grease from the frying pan, I'm going to use a paper towel. Just remember, you should never ever put grease down your drain. You will be sorry, especially if you are a homeowner and it's going to cost you lots of money. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Bye guys.